Have you ever seen a car that tells the story of an era? A car that wasn't just a mode of transport, but a statement of power, style, and innovation. Today, we're diving into the 1950 Dodge Coronet, a classic American car that turned heads and set trends in the 1950s. From its iconic design to its powerful engine and luxurious interior, this car still captures the imagination of classic car enthusiasts around the world. By the end of this video, you'll understand why the 1950 Dodge Coronet is still considered a gem for collectors and why it remains a symbol of automotive excellence. Hello friends. Welcome back to CarOg 765, your channel for everything classic cars. We bring you exciting facts, unique designs, and the stories behind some of the most iconic vehicles ever made. If you love classic cars, make sure to subscribe so you never miss a video from the world of automotive history. Exterior. The 1950 Dodge Coronet's exterior was a true reflection of 1950s American automotive style. Its bold chrome accents, rounded headlights, and smooth curved bodylines gave it a unique and commanding presence on the road. The front grille, with its large shiny chrome bars, made a lasting impression, giving the car a powerful and attractive look. Not only was it visually stunning, but the Coronet's sturdy, heavy body also offered a safer and more confident driving experience for its time. Add to that the striking color options, classic red, cream white, and deep blue, and the Coronet became a car that demanded attention wherever it went. It was designed to stand out in a time when cars were becoming more than just transport, they were a statement of identity, luxury, and social status. Interior. Step inside, and the 1950 Dodge Coronet offered a luxurious and comfortable experience. It featured wide, plush seats, a beautifully designed dashboard, and elegant chrome details. Passengers enjoyed ample space, making long drives relaxing and enjoyable. The interior wood panels and coordinated color schemes highlighted the sophistication and classic charm, making every ride feel special and timeless. The Coronet also included innovative features for its time, like better ventilation, a functional radio, and ergonomically designed controls, showing Dodge's commitment to combining luxury with practical comfort. Performance. Now let's talk about performance. The 1950 Dodge Coronet came with powerful engine options, including the 230 cubic inch inline-six and the 230 cubic inch V8. These engines delivered strong performance, smooth acceleration, and remarkable road presence. Handling was impressive for its era, offering stability and confidence even on long drives. The steering and brakes were designed to give the driver full control, which was a significant feature for enthusiasts who valued both performance and safety. Additionally, the Coronet's suspension system was tuned to balance comfort and road grip, making city drives smooth while keeping long highway journeys enjoyable. Historical significance. The 1950 Dodge Coronet was more than just a car, it was a symbol of post-war American optimism. After World War II, car manufacturers were experimenting with bold designs, bigger engines, and luxurious interiors. Dodge responded with the Coronet, offering families a stylish yet reliable car, while also appealing to younger drivers who wanted power and flair. It represented a turning point in automotive design, merging practicality with style, and became a model that influenced Dodge's future lineup for decades. So there you have it, the 1950 Dodge Coronet, a car that not only ruled the roads of its era but continues to capture the hearts of classic car collectors today. From its stunning design to its comfort, performance, and historical significance, the Coronet remains a valuable and cherished classic. If you want to explore more classic cars like this, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and comment below on which classic car you'd like to see featured next. This car is not just metal and chrome, it's a piece of history, a reminder of an era when cars were designed to impress, endure, and inspire.